Hi guys!
Going in with a pot concealer first. This is, well, like, not anymore. I think my skin just needed
Hi, a few parcels just came. I bought all of this for my business, so let's open it. Next, this one. And lastly, it fits well. So yeah, mag-get ready with me ako kahit wala namang okasyon kasi okay. First product na ating gagamitin for today's video is concealer. Ilagay lang natin siya sa ating mga dark spots. Ayan, okay na yan. Just gonna blend it out. Yeah. Next is the blush from Choo Beauty. The shade Gentle Mauve. Pa-heart chubby. And you're just gonna spread it out on your cheek. Next, eyeliner. I'm using Focalium Smudge Proof Eyeliner kasi okay. We're gonna apply it like this. Yeah, like that. Bahala na kayo kung anong gusto nyo. Basta ganyan ko apply sa akin. Pantay ba? Okay na yan. After you're done with the eyeliner, now I'm gonna set my face using this Choo Beauty Yummy Yum Skin Loose Powder. I'm just gonna apply this under my eyes and then on my T-zone. After that, we're gonna use Squad's Refreshing Melon Mist Makeup Spray ASMR. Yes. Mascara, yeah. I'm using Fair & Bliss mascaras. Next naman, I'm gonna do our lips and I'm gonna use Choo Beauty again. Nakalimutan ko anong shade nito, but Baked Nude, I believe. But you're just, ay buhok. You're just gonna overline your lips for a more pouty look. And then your bottom lip, and you're done. So after mo ma-overline your lips mo, you're gonna proceed with the, tawag dito. Get Ready With Me lip booze. Yeah, lip booze. In the shade Martini. Ayan. Martini kasi.
Ayan na naman si ate ko. Naglalaro na naman siya ng ganda-gandahan. Oo, tignan nyo. Oh. Boo.
And we're done with the Get Ready With Me. Thank you for watching my very aesthetic Get Ready With Me.